Hello mga ka-idol! So today naglalaro tayo ng Choose a Door. So let's get into it! Mag-pick daw tayo guys. Would you rather?
Have a random hairstyle or be entirely bald?
Pag random, baka pangit yung ibibigay sa atin.
After 15 days, biglang
Pag
pumatos
bald,
110 pesos per
wala na tayong hair.
Kung nilang inventaryo yun eh. Paano po magiging
So,
110
anong
from
pipiliin ko?
55?
Yung binenta kasi na yun will have to be replaced right after next week.
Rico!
Yung amount.
So, ang nangyari, ang nag-finance ang tao.
Okay, would you
Would you
rather?
rather be way too tall
Hindi,
or
ulitin mo
be
yung
too
sinabi mo.
short?
It's really
Hindi, next case.
passed on to
Matangkad naman ako sa totoong buhay eh. So maging matangkad ako.
This is the frustration.
Wow.
Aalis kung frustrated ka, walang isagot na nakuha.
Oh, ang tangkad ko guys.
Sa tanggapan
Ay,
ng Department of Energy.
nag-reset. Gusto kong bumalik.
044 million
Ayoko maging maliit.
ng gobyerno na barrels. So,
Okay, would you rather
Or be an
or
egg
be an egg
for
for
15 seconds?
or be at dog? Egg lang naman for 15 seconds. Gagawin ko, syempre.
Would you rather save the babies
Ay,
or
or cookie shop. Mahirap to guys, mahirap. Di-decisionan ko. Okay. Wala yun guys, wala yun guys. Have one
Would you
robot.
rather have one Robux beggar or have 5 Robux beggars?
we need more malampay. We need more of this guy na like hindi ko asan. Really has been very active in
Ayaw pumunta. Gusto ko pumunta sa gitna. Dito na lang sa kanya sa gitna.
Last year pa lang, 8 na yung nag-grant ng presidente.
Ano lang? Wala akong Robux.
20 years ago. Para just to secure our energy.
Come on, don't be a brokey.
Joke lang.
I want to buy a new avatar. I'm going to
Would
get
you rather have a
Burger or French fries.
Ikaw ng gobyerno na pag may
Gusto ko ng
Don't be a
Coke.
brokey. I want to buy a new avatar. Now! Don't ignore me now. I'm going to get angry.
Would you rather?
Can I have some Robux, please?
Favorite.
Hi, Robux. Come on, bro. Come on, don't be a brokey. I want to buy a new avatar. Now! Rick, don't ignore me now.
Would you rather 6, 7, 7?
No, 6-7. No, 6-7. No, 6-7. I will save you 6-7. Bye-bye, 6-7. Okay, last na ata to guys. Last na ata.
Avatar.
Would you rather?
Rather eat a cheeseburger
Don't ignore me now.
or be stuck in detention?
What?
Bro, come on, don't be a brokey.
Escape detention by finding the door before Baldy catches you.
So easy. Ay, akala ko tapos na.
Would you rather own an annoying chicken or own an annoying cow?
Ayoko mag-tekalaok yung chicken. Ayoko din mag-moo yung cow.
sa mga public utility vehicle
Wala.
operators. Cost longer.
Ang yaman. Okay, chicken na lang.
klase ng energy resources. Kasama po dito yung solar power, wind power, hydro, natural
diba?
gas coal. Para hindi po tayo dependent sa mga imported na
Pag-tik-tik-tik-lak.
energy resources. Tamang choice.
Okay.
Binigyan din
Oh, well,
Would you rather be an e-girl or shrink down 75%?
Ang ano na to?
Sana po itong crisis na to ay maging wake up call
Ito na lang.
resources.
Ngayon guys, wala yung guys. Wala yung Wala yung guys. Wala yung guys.
Would you rather sound like a boy or sound like a girl?
Reactive, hindi po proactive.
Siyempre, boy.
Try typing in chat to hear your voice.
Wala yung guys. Wala yung guys. Oh my. Wala yung guys. Totoo guys. Wala yung guys.
You.
Uy! Ito guys.
Subscribe na click yung mga YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the bell button.
Hindi lang yung problema, doon din sila gagalaw. Abnormal.
Skyflakes with tuna mayo. Sarap nito. Kahit na lagi pa ito. Skyflakes. Kasama mo.
Would you rather have
Deoxyribonucleic acid
banana
reflux and
legs?
biodegradable.
Oh my god. Oh, nanana.
homeless man follow you? Or have a crying baby follow you?
For lollipop, please, lollipop, lolly, please. I need lollipop, please. Can I have a lollipop? Swirly, swirly lollipop, please, please. Please give me lollipop. Give me
Okay, abot
lollipop.
ni
I'll do anything, please, for a lollipop. Swirly, swirly lollipop.
Oh my
please.
God.
Please give me lollipop, please.
Ano yung baby?
Give me lollipop. I'll do anything, please, for a lollipop.
Ano
Please,
pala
please,
yung baby?
lollipop, lolly,
Oh my
please.
god.
Please give me lollipop. Can I have a
Would you
lollipop?
rather
Swirly,
be
swirly
fat
lollipop, please, please.
Uh-huh.
or be skinny? Would you rather be fat or be skinny?
Please give me lollipop. Can I have a lollipop? Swirly, swirly lollipop, please, please, please. I need lollipop, please. Give me lollipop. I'll do
Skinny naman ako dun sa tulong buhay. Ipiliin ko
Please give me
skinny,
lollipop. Can I have a
syempre.
lollipop? Please. Give me lollipop. I'll do anything, please, for a lollipop. Please, please, lollipop.
The duck song.
Give me lollipop. I'll do anything, please, for a
Hobby.
lollipop. Please, please, lollipop.
Syempre, Obi.
Please give me
Sana
lollipop.
mamatay na lahat ng kurakot sa mundo.
Magkano pera yun? Inabot 1 billion po yun.
Pag-alaman din, nagmamay-ari pala siya ng mga helicopter at pati ng mga eroplano. Kabuang halaga, halos 5 billion pesos. Pero isang araw matapos umere ang aming report at sa mismong araw na itinakdang ultimatum ng Kongreso para magpakita si Zhao
Ano ba talaga guys, no? Eh, no? Okay.
Would you rather grow dragon wings or grow angel wings?
At yung mga taong patuloy kong pinipiling ko.
Mukha yung astig.
Nagdako ka ng bayan.
Ito din.
Sabi mo,
Ito na lang.
sacrifice on your part.
Ayon kay
Uy.
House Speaker Faustino
Would you rather
Boji
brain
III,
rot rain or taco
dahil
rain?
nagtitinag sa
Oh my God,
Kongreso,
obviously,
wala na raw
obviously.
karapatan ng Kongreso na
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Close your eyes. It's
Eve of bacon.
No, 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 no. No, no, no.
mainit ang pinakawalang pahayag ni Senator Pantilo Pinla.
Bye-bye, bacon.
Di umano, alis nila
I'm sorry.
national budget.
I can spend Robux.
Hindi na bababa sa 100 billion pesos ang
Ma'am, yun?
halaga ng mga institusyon. Dahil dito, naging mapaklaraw ang relasyon niya sa ilang mga
Be rich, be famous. Of course, be famous.
Would you rather be rich or be famous?
Of course, be famous.
smile for the fans.
Wow, I am so popular in YouTube.
Would you rather be BFFs with a bacon or be BFFs with a noob? Would you rather be BFFs with a bacon or be BFFs with a noob?
Sino mo yung hindi lang tumangkot?
Kasi alam mo, nung nag-focus kami,
Alam niyo pa naman ako, guys.
Ginaliwanag ko sa kanila, incidental lamang yung nasabing almost all senators ng 19th Congress.
Bestie, best friend, BFF, or
Would you rather walk on Legos
Hey,
or
hey,
walk on hot
play.
coals?
Wanna play today? Play? Bestie, best friend, BFF, life. Let's hang out today and forever. You and me sitting in a tree as happy as best friends can be. Hey, bestie, you are my best friend. B-E-S-T-I-E, bestie. Hey, bestie, wanna play? Wanna play today? Play? Bestie, best friend, BFF, or life. Let's hang out today and forever. You and me sitting in a tree as happy as best friends can be. Hey, bestie, you are my best
Ang
friend.
tagal! Yun, finally!
Listen to jazz music or listen to elevator music.
mukhang kinonect niyo ho itong insertions, those projects, etc. Yung mga kurakot ko na. Pero connected
Would you rather smash a glass bottle on your head or get stuck in the void for 20 seconds?
Ang usapan namin, at least yung ibang mga kasamahan ko.
So, doon na mag-e-end yung video mga ka-idol.
Yung dati ko.
Goodbye!